lives a happy little mountain.
Hey guys, so I know you guys really enjoy the what I eat in a day videos, and I wanted to do one for London just because there was so much incredible food there and I wanted to show you guys what we ate. So for breakfast, pretty much we went to Pret a Manger just about every single morning. And every morning I would get this coconut porridge. It is incredible. It has quinoa inside and it is delicious. Along with that, I would get a cup of coffee and also this mango granola pudding, I believe. It has bananas and blueberries and coconut chips on top. And for this particular morning, I decided to also go for a ginger shot. And last but not least, I got their dark chocolate with sea salt, and this has always been one of my favorite chocolates from Pret. We were in London for 5 days, and every morning, I swear, I got this quinoa coconut porridge. It was delicious. Sho wasn't the biggest fan of the porridge, but he loved this mango pudding, and I personally love putting this mango puree inside of the porridge. May sound a little weird, but it was so good. Lunchtime, so it was really warm in the week that we were there, and I have to say we were so lucky to have so much sun that 1 week. And so we went out to Whole Foods and we got a berry acai bowl, and there it says my name. And we are literally just sitting outside in a park with a bunch of other people enjoying the sun. It was an awesome time. I have a recipe on my YouTube channel for a really awesome acai bowl. This one is really pretty, but it tastes well, he kind of has to say that. But along with our acai bowl, we also made our own salad at the salad bar, and there's a bunch of lentils, kale, broccoli, and all sorts of different salads that we made. Guys, it's challenge time. It's not the ginger challenge this time. We are in London and we're gonna do the stairway has 93 steps challenge. 193, that's nothing, come on. And yeah, we're gonna do it for show.
The steps in this station are 193 steps.
Yeah, before the stairs.
I don't shake the camera.
Wait, where's my car?
Show's actually got the real challenge. He's filming and climbing. But we're gonna go eat hot pot.
Yeah.
Oh, look at me. 2 stairs at a time.
The in the station are 193 steps.
I'm A-okay. I don't know about tomorrow. Read it!
Hi, Coco.
Hello.
Where are you now?
We're at a hot pot place. It's called Hot Pot. So, as I vaguely explained, we are at a hot pot restaurant in London. They have a whole list of different soup bases that you can choose from, and also you can also mix and match like what we did here. We have half of the pot, I believe it was a mushroom mix, and then the other half was a tomato sauce mix. They also had an abundance of choices for things that you want to put into your hot pot. So I got the veggie basket and Sho ordered a seafood basket. So they had this dipping sauce station where you can create your very own dipping sauce. And here I made one with chili sauce and garlic and cilantro. I loved my veggie basket and I couldn't get over how cute it was. So if you guys aren't familiar with hot pot, it is one of those dishes that we in my family like to eat in the colder months, and it is just a super simple dish where a lot of families and friends can come over and everyone can put in ingredients that they like, and it is super tasty and very fun. I wasn't always a big fan of hot pot just because growing up my parents used to cook a lot of meat and I've never been a big fan of meat. However, this restaurant in London has completely changed me. If you guys have not tried hot pot before, I highly recommend it. It is a lot of fun just to be able to, you know, kind of cook your own food on the table with your friends and family. And there are so many options to choose from. If you don't eat meat, there's also veggies, there's mushroom, tofu, and seafood. So it's completely and entirely up to you. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and please stay tuned for day 3 in London. See you guys soon!